You dangleberries have heard of girl math and dog math, but welcome to mother cluck and bird math. 1 piece of millet is equal to 0 pieces of millet, and the whole container of millet is equal to 1 piece of millet. I want to be on the show Supersize Me. Eating 3 pieces of corn or 1 bite of apple offsets any millet I've had during the day to equal 0 pieces of millet. Having 1 clean bowl of water equals 1 clean bowl of water. Shitting in my water 1 time also equals 1 clean bowl of water. Shitting 2 times in my bowl of water is mother neglecting to care for me and it's no longer a clean bowl of water. Putting 1 finger near me means step up. Putting multiple fingers near me is a threat against my species and I will act accordingly. 1 shattered glass in the forbidden cupboard is 0 shattered glasses in the forbidden cupboard, and 5 shattered glasses in the forbidden cupboard is also 0 shattered glasses in the forbidden cupboard.